Watch this.
Is everything all right with you? Everything's fine, Aunt Sam. It's nothing.
Look at this, guys. Look. They did not tone this test. But, according to this, they actually did do the test. Well, guess what? This wasn't toned this wasn't toned at all, and you don't hear anything. Like, this is definitely a fail here, guys. And I also heard this on I also heard this during gym, which that's kind of stupid enough for me. And this will actually still count as a EAS because they did it, but they didn't tone it. This is a fail. This is so. Oh wait, I know why. Because it was snowing up, which actually probably explains why they failed to tone it. So yeah, this explains it then.
Very well. Call your witness. The state calls Judge Diana Levin. Approximately how much